Italian Tomato Soup. Nutrition information. Serving size 100 grams. Calories 35. Fat 1 gram. Carbs 8 grams. Fiber 1 gram. Sugars 4 grams. Protein 1 gram. Ingredients: diced tomatoes, 1 diced onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: 1. In a pot, heat the olive oil. 2. Add the onion and garlic, sauté until translucent. 3. Add the tomatoes, vegetable broth, basil, oregano, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. 4. Bring to a boil. 5. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes. 6. Using an immersion blender, blend until the mixture is smooth. We'd love to hear what you think. Share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Don't hesitate to ask for your favorite recipes. Let us know what you'd like to see in our upcoming. Enjoy!